Real quick, if it's funny because here at Eastern University, we're doing the same thing. We're looking at all the possibilities of how AI could help us serve students better, operate more efficiently. But how do you prioritize? I mean, we have a very long list already. So how do you prioritize which of those initial projects to do? Is it purely based on ROI, or are there other factors?
There are several other factors, and it's not the problem with you alone. Even in our team level calls, when we come up with think big ideas, we have long list of problems, and we have a brainstorming session on how do we prioritize, right? So let me walk through a systematic approach that we followed on how we can prioritize investments in our AI initiatives. Think of this as a strategic portfolio management exercise. Um, look at the business impact. As I covered earlier, take both quantifiable, like cost savings or revenue growth, also qualitative measurements like customer satisfaction or employee experience. So look at the business impact first. What is it we are trying to adapt to solve? The second one is assess the implementation feasibility. As I said, data is important. So consider your data readiness, your technical requirements, and your available resources, which is a key, right? You need to have available resources too. The third one is evaluate overall organizational readiness, including the stakeholder support. And is do we have required process changes in ecosystem? Or what is the, as we cover skepticism, what is the potential resistance we may see? So consider these factors, business impact,
Mhm. Mhm.
implementation feasibility, and overall organizational readiness. So start with wins that are simple projects, where they have clear business problem and have data and can show measurable results. For example, uh, like automating customer inquiries. It's often a good starting point because we already have tons of data in our systems, a lot of history built over several years. So by using that data, the impact is easily measurable. We can easily automate, and then results can be seen quickly. Uh, and the key point is about starting with projects which are too complex, which are too ambitious or ambiguous, even if they consider giving you promising bigger returns. Common mistake is we try to transform the entire department's operation at once. So it could be a potential risk. Instead, break larger initiatives into smaller phases, manageable phases, and start small and iteratively build it. Um, and one another point is we need clear executive sponsorship. The most project, we have all the key systems, but without executive sponsorship, we may struggle to move the needle in those aspects. So always have all the key projects layout. It is iterative, start small, build up the lessons from the setbacks, and build up the expertise, build up the capabilities from the previous ones, and creating a foundation for increasingly the larger applications to automate those. That's how you prioritize.
Okay, okay. So those easy wins, so easy incremental wins, are they build momentum. So
Yes,
yeah.
that's true. Momentum and also expertise and also lessons, right? Our own database of lessons.